Well, it's next man up here in Chicago. Of course, Jared Cook goes down, and Josh Hill, you always play a lot, but everybody really stepped up on offense with all the injuries, and it says a lot about this team that you did.
Yeah, I think it's just the way we're built as a team. Next man up. We count on each other, we lean on each other, and it showed tonight. It was a good team win for us.
Take me through the early touchdown.
I was honestly, I'm just trying to get the flat player out. They dropped me in coverage, and it was there. Teddy found me, and easy 6 for us.
You guys didn't know what would happen when Drew went down over a month ago. The fact that you guys have reeled off 5 straight wins, I mean, would you have ever predicted that? I mean, did anybody see that coming?
Yeah, you know what? I think that, like I said, it's next man up, and we know how to win every game. We lay it out at the beginning of the week, what we need to do to win the game, and that's just what we've been doing.
Moving forward now, Teddy Bridgewater called you guys a bunch of survivors. I mean, the confidence has to be sky high now moving forward.
Absolutely. We're just going to keep it rolling, just stay focused on the task at hand and keep going.
Jared Cook out, Josh Hill steps up, one of many players stepping up for the Saints. Back to you guys in the studio.